Vinegar and bird mites, a natural solution.
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to use vinegar to get rid of bird mites. If you're dealing with these pesky pests, vinegar can be a natural and effective solution. In this video, we'll explore the type of vinegar that works best and how to use it to tackle bird mite infestations. Let's get started.
What type of vinegar should you use?
Bird mites can be a nuisance, but fortunately, vinegar can help control their population. When it comes to choosing a vinegar, white distilled vinegar is your best bet. White vinegar has a higher level of acidity, making it more effective against bird mites.
How to use vinegar to eliminate bird mites.
Now that we know the type of vinegar to use, let's talk about how to apply it to get rid of bird mites. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Create a vinegar solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. This will create a solution that is potent enough to combat bird mites while being safe for use. 2. Identify the affected areas. Determine the areas where you suspect the bird mites are present. These might include bird nests, perches, or any other spots where you've noticed mite activity. 3. Spray the affected areas. Thoroughly spray the vinegar solution onto the affected areas. Ensure that you cover all surfaces where the bird mites are likely to hide or breed. 4. Repeat the process. Repeat the vinegar treatment daily for several days. This will help break the mite life cycle and ensure any surviving mites are eliminated. Remember to shake the spray bottle before each use to ensure an even distribution of the vinegar solution.
Additional tips and precautions.
While vinegar is an effective natural remedy for bird mites, it's important to keep a few additional tips and precautions in mind. Test in a small area. Before applying the vinegar solution to larger areas, it's a good idea to test it on a small, inconspicuous spot to ensure it doesn't cause any damage or discoloration. Protect yourself. When using the vinegar solution, it's advisable to wear protective gloves and a mask to avoid any potential skin or respiratory irritation. Complement with cleaning. Along with vinegar treatment, it's essential to maintain a clean environment. Regularly vacuuming, dusting, and washing bedding or affected items can help eliminate bird mites and prevent reinfestation. That brings us to the end of today's video on using vinegar to get rid of bird mites. Remember, white distilled vinegar is the recommended type to use, and creating a vinegar solution to spray on affected areas is an effective approach. Don't forget to repeat the treatment for several days and complement it with proper cleaning practices. We hope this information has been helpful in your battle against bird mites. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.